Eggs are frequently rated to be among the healthiest foods available, and they are consumed by people all over the world. All the necessary nutrients for human survival can be found in them, albeit in minute quantities. There are a lot of different bird species, and it's possible to collect their eggs. Eggs laid by chickens, however, are among the most common. Numerous vitamins and minerals, including omega-3 fatty acids, folic acid, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and zinc, can be found in abundance in this egg. According to research, the nutrients in eggs may help prevent or treat a variety of diseases discussed below. 1. Eggs include zeaxanthin and lutein, two important nutrients that may protect against age-related macular degeneration as well as cataracts. Some eye diseases and conditions may be slowed or prevented by the nutrients mentioned here. It also has a high concentration of vitamin A, which helps prevent blindness. 2. Eggs' mineral content, which includes heart-healthy magnesium and potassium, has been well documented. In addition, it contains high-density lipoprotein, which is great for the heart because, according to research, it lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. 3. In addition to reducing the likelihood that you'll develop conditions like diabetes, hypertension, or cancer, this strategy can also aid in the fight against obesity. One of the things that can bring on these disorders is being overweight. Eggs, on the other hand, are packed with protein and can aid in calorie restriction. This is because it improves satiety, leading to reduced calorie intake and a reduced likelihood of weight gain or obesity.